So you're in the market for a new grill, but not sure which type is best for you? Well, today we'll be breaking down the 5 major grill types to help you find the perfect fit. That means checking off the positives of cooking performance, calling out major considerations, and outlining all grilling outputs. Let's check it out. When it comes to cooking at a moment's notice, you cannot beat the speed and efficiency of America's most popular grill, the gas grill.
With push-button ignitions, these grills heat up in 5 to 10 minutes for fast, delicious meals. Plus, with independently controlled burners, you can maintain temperatures easily to ensure high heat is evenly distributed at all times. Some models even allow for indirect grilling as well as low and slow cooking. Of course, they do require propane refills or natural gas hookups, but with a wide variety of sizes and setups, it's easy to find something that fits your backyard. While maybe not as flavorful as some other grill types, gas grills are moderately priced, incredibly convenient, and perfect for busy families and everyday grilling.
For a smoky, flame-kissed flavor that is sure to make everyone's mouth water, check out charcoal grills or kamados.
While not as easy to use as their gas counterparts, these grills deliver an authentic taste and aroma by manipulating the combustion of fire, either by stoking the coals, adding fuel, or adjusting airflow. Temperature control can be a little tricky to master, and startup time is longer than that of a gas grill. But once it's going, you're in for a rich, smoky result. Their ability to hit high temperatures is perfect for searing, and that's not all. Charcoal grills can also smoke, roast, and even bake for a single, versatile cooker. Kamado grills are essentially just ceramic charcoal smokers and grills, and retain more moisture for juicy, tender results because of their unique shape and design. Overall, charcoal grills and kamados, though a bit more commitment with temperature management, ash cleanup, and lump charcoal storage and replenishment, offer authentic flavor at a reasonable price point.
Speaking of authentic, there's nothing more traditional than a wood-fired grill.
Featuring Santa Maria grills, Gaucho grills, and Argentinian grills, these give you the full campfire experience and unmatched smokiness. These grills are perfect for adventurous artisans and pitmaster purists with their long startup times and complex cooking execution, both of which require real patience. Like charcoal grills, these feed off wood fuel and operate with similar cooking methods, though wood-fire grills require far more temperature management skills and can be very demanding. The flavor is truly unrivaled among other grill types, but because they are time-consuming and somewhat demanding, they're often reserved for large feasts with a focus on the spectacle of it all. But if you have the time, money, and dedication, your taste buds will certainly be rewarded with traditional campfire flavor.
For more accessible, deep wood-smoked flavor, look no further than pellet grills.
Pellet grills use a cooking process in which you load the hopper with flavored pellets, set your desired temperature, and then sit back and relax. It's as simple as that. Even better, many of these grills come with digital controls and pre-programmed with entire smoke cycles. And with connectivity to apps via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, you can control your grill from your phone. Because pellet grills act as an oven, they provide even heat with far fewer flare-ups than a traditional grill, thanks to their full coverage heat baffle that separates food from the fire pot below. They're the easiest of all grill types to operate, as a result, produce the most consistent results. Not to mention deliver plenty of flavor with a variety of pellets, including hickory, cherry, pecan, and more. Those results are slightly offset by higher upfront cost, in addition to such inconveniences as needing electricity for the auger and controller, having to keep pellets dry and stocked, and the large, heavy nature of the pellet grills. That said, if you're a real barbecue enthusiast and love low and slow cooking, pellet grills produce excellent flavorful quality with relatively little effort.
Somewhat in a category of their own, electric grills are a quick and straightforward option for smaller outdoor spaces that may not allow open flame cooking.
These grills are as easy as plug in and cook, perfect for those prioritizing fast startups and consistent heat output. And because they're electric, there are no flare-ups and no ash, making them safe and simple to clean. They often have smaller cooking surfaces than gas or charcoal grills, but their compact size is conducive to on-the-go grilling. All you need is an outlet and you're ready to go. Without real fire, you'll miss out on smoky, flame-kissed flavor, but for the money and convenience, especially for those in apartments or condos, or anyone looking for a portable cooker, electric grills are a suitable option. So let's recap. Gas grills are quick and easy, with plenty of sizes and price points, offering tasty results but lacking the authentic flavors of other grills. Charcoal and kamado grills require a bit more skill to properly manage temperatures, but can produce smoky, flame-kissed flavor on a cooker capable of grilling, smoking, roasting, or baking. The most experiential of the group, wood fire grills demand a high level of expertise and a whole lot of patience, but deliver an unforgettable campfire flavor profile, albeit at a higher price point. Pellet grills promise wood smoke flavor with very little effort and the most consistent results, thanks to their digital control and pre-programming smoking cycles that you can operate from your phone. They're perfect for any low and slow cooking connoisseur. Electric grills are an ideal option for those living in small spaces that don't allow open flame cooking. Compact and portable, these grills are smaller and easier to operate, but lack the flavor associated with more traditional grilling.